Let's make my sticky Asian chicken. First, let's make the sauce. To a little bit of coconut sugar, add garlic, ginger, some soy sauce, some rice wine vinegar, some fish sauce, a little bit of chili, and give it a good mix. To a hot skillet, add your chicken, a little salt. Remove the chicken when it's partially cooked. Into that same skillet, add some chopped red pepper, some onion, give it a stir along with some salt, and then add that sauce into this. Add back in the chicken and pop it into a hot oven for about 20 minutes. Adorn it with some scallions and cilantro. Serve it up, a little avocado on the side. Check out the recipe on taylorkitchen.net.